What's up everyone, welcome back to another video of Dynamic Tech, and in this video I'm going to show you top 5 ways to operate your computer faster. So if you're new on my channel, then don't forget to hit the like button, also press the subscribe button and also turn on bell notification for all videos. So without further ado, let's get started. So what will you do if you have to change the size of files, folders and application? You will click on view and then you will select any of the view from this section. But there is an easy and fast way to do this. You just have to press and hold Ctrl from your keyboard and scroll up and down to change the icon's view. How will you open this PC in Windows 10 default? You will go to the search bar and type here this PC, and you will click on this PC to open your computer's this PC. But there is another way to add all basic shortcuts to your desktop. To do this, right click Start and click on Settings. Here in the Settings panel, click on Personalization, Themes, and in this section you will see Desktop Icon Settings. Click on this option and you will see a pop-up window. Now check all the applications and then click on Apply, and you can see all these shortcuts are on our screen. In this section, I will tell you how to open any application in Windows 10 the fastest way. For example, if I have to open calculator, then here most people do, they click on Start and then search for the file and click on it to open the application. But there is another fast way to do this. You just simply hold Windows key and press R and you will see Run here. In the Run section, type the shortcut of the calculator, which is CALC. You can search and see all the applications software on the internet. Hit enter and you can see the calculator is open. Let's suppose you have to open this folder in your daily life and this folder is way deeper in your computer. So how do you open this folder with a very few clicks? Just right click on this folder and click on Pin to Quick Access. After that, click on Windows Explorer and you can see this folder is at quick access. You can access any files, folders and applications from here with a single click. In this section, I will tell you some useful and fast computer shortcuts which will improve your computer operations and will make you faster. The shortcut Windows key plus S opens the search panel. The shortcut Windows key plus X opens the right click section of the Start. The shortcut Windows key plus A access the Action Center. The shortcut Windows key plus P access the display settings. With the shortcut Windows key plus H, you can access the speech settings. Shortcut Windows key plus V opens your clipboard. To open the task manager, simply use the shortcut Control plus Shift plus Escape. To select all files or applications in a folder, use the shortcut Ctrl plus A. To close any file, use the shortcut Alt plus F4. Our final shortcut, Windows key plus R, opens the Run tab from which you can access your whole computer. Hope you liked the video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel and let me know in the comments. That's all for today guys. Thanks for watching.